Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I have a haul for you, if you couldn't tell by the thumbnail. I'm so excited to show you this stuff. It's been gathering up for the last, I want to say month, but we were actually away on holidays. We were just in Spain and it was so gorgeous. So lovely to have the sunshine and then come back to this cold Irish weather, but so lucky to get away. So I'm going to get into this haul and show you guys what I got. A few little different bits from a few different places. So starting off, I'm going to show you what I got from Glitterbels. So I always use their builder in a bottle, and I was so excited to see that they have come out with new colours in their black bottle formula. And this is my favourite formula of theirs. This is the one I use all the time with my clients. So I picked up this colour to start off with. This is called Pilates Pink, and it is just a gorgeous baby pink colour. That's just the only way to describe it. It's baby pink in a bottle, literally, and I have already actually pulled this out and used it twice and can confirm that the opacity is absolutely brilliant. So I just go on and put my builder on and then top coat, and the opacity is just beautiful. So I'm going to continue to stock up on more of those colours, but this is the first one that I got out of their new range of those colours. I hope you guys are all well. I know it's been a little while, but just getting back from holidays and just getting back into clients and stuff, it's just been ages to catch up with everything. So I'm so happy to finally show all these little bits. Next up then, we're going to move on to kind of Amazon stuff. This is a brand I've never heard of in my life. It's called Cruto. I don't know if that's what language that's supposed to be. It kind of seems a little bit French to me. I'm not sure, but can't pronounce it. But this is the packaging. I thought it was absolutely stunning packaging. Hence why I'm taking so long showing you the packaging. But the reason behind this purchase was I needed to get a tortoise shell kit, if you like. And I wasn't sure what colour to go for in the torty colours. I was kind of humming and hawing, and I was looking on different brands that I usually buy from. And then I went on Amazon and I saw this kit, and it has all these gorgeous colours. So you can choose from all these different colours for your torty. So I went on and bought this, and it was only like, it was such good value. I think it was about $10.99 or something like that. And I have used it already and it works perfectly. So if you are looking, if you're beginner friendly tortoise shell nail art, look and get this, because I have to say, like, the colours are so diverse for tortoise shell in this little kit. For $10.99 you can't really go wrong. So yeah, this is the one that I picked up, and I do have the swatches coming, and I'll show you the swatches in a second. So here are all the swatch sticks when I have them all done and top coated. They're absolutely gorgeous colours. Just to let you know as well, on the underside of the bottle, that's where the numbers of the polishes are. So just underneath the bottle, they have different numbers. It just took me a minute to figure that out. So just in case you do go ahead and buy it, that's where your numbers of your polishes are. And then we still have some more Amazon goodies coming up. So I did run out of my blooming gel, and I popped on and I spotted this V-Shine one. Now, I've never tried the V-Shine blooming gel before, but I do like V-Shine top coats, and I have their matte top coat and it works brilliant for pigments. And I've had their shiny top coat as well before for press-ons. So I did run on and get this. I'm sure it's going to be fine. Haven't checked it yet, so I can't really give you a review on it. I'm just opening it up here to see the colour of it, because sometimes blooming gel kind of has a little grey or a yellow tinge. This one does, you can see it a little bit, but it's not too strong. So just kind of checking that, because sometimes it's very, very grey, and I don't really like that, because I feel like it can take away from the colour that you're putting it over sometimes. So yeah, I can't wait to try that out now. And then next up we have some Melody Susie sanding bands. Now, I do have a discount code for Melody Susie for their actual website. It's in the left hand corner of the screen there, so it's Nails12 if you want to use that. But this is just 180 grit sanding bands. I love these. The Melody Susie ones are brilliant, especially their zebra print ones. I love them. I swear by them. They're the ones I always go back and repurchase. So yeah, I just popped on and got those. And then I also got these press-on little sticky backs for press-on sets. Now, I have never gotten these before, and I'm probably really late to the game. But you see that little corner tab there where you can just get your tweezer and peel that off. I've never actually used these ones. I've always just used the little red ones that you have to get your tweezer and be pulling the seal for ages trying to get it off. And I can confirm that these ones are way easier to use. I feel like I've probably missed them because I've never seen them before. But they're brilliant. If you make press-ons and you stick your press-ons to any sort of backing, they are brilliant ones. And then just onto some gloves. So I did need some gloves. So these are just nitrile disposable gloves, and they are just black, so plain, kind of plain and simple. Okay, so now we're on to some Shein. So all that stuff was Amazon, and this is onto Shein. So I know we're a little bit late, but I did order these way before Halloween. Just some stickers. These are, you've probably seen these, but I'll just go through them anyway. These are like, I feel like Spider-Man effect stickers here, but in pink, because we've got the little spiders and the little mask. And then we have these little cute cartoony ghosts, which is the reason why I ordered this sticker pack, because of these, because I thought they were absolutely so cute. And this sheet as well with the little bats and the little cartoony ghosts. So cute. And that's kind of really in style this Halloween, I find. Those kind of cartoony ghosts. And then those butterflies were in there as well, which I don't know why. I thought it was odd to throw the butterflies in the middle of the Halloween sets. And then more little pink and white, little dancing skeletons and some little cobwebs and some flamey hearts, little design. They're very cute. You could use them any time of the year, I suppose. But they were Shein. And then I'm going to stick with the sticker part of this, and I'm going to show you, oh no, actually I think we're moving on to foils here. So I did get foils as well. I was just running out of my rose gold transfer foil, so I went on and I got this. Now I have to say, I know this is very basic, but if you happen to be a beginner nail tech and you're watching this, get this, because look how many different colour foils we have here. They're all different shades of gold. We have yellow gold, we have champagne gold, we have pink gold, we have rose gold. This was less than €1, I think. And you get so much foil in this. So if you are a beginner, or even if you're not a beginner, I just like, look at that brown foil like that. That would have been stunning just there in autumn. Now, I probably won't use it now, but I don't know. I love this type of transfer foil. It's so easy to use because you can just stick it onto this dispersion layer of your gel polish. If your gel polish has a dispersion layer, you can just stick it on and tack it on, and it just works so effortlessly. So I love it. So highly recommend these. Some more stickers now. So these are just really pretty ombre flowers with a little bit of gold chrome outline. Again, not the season for them right now, but in spring, summer, these are just going to be so pretty. Like, chrome is not going to go anywhere. The chrome outlines are going to be in for a while. And I did think that these stickers are just, you know, when you look at them and you know when they go on, they could definitely be mistaken for hand painted, I think. And we do have a few little chromey just circles and stuff, and little daisies as well. But like those little side flowers, like they'd be lovely just at the side of your nail or in, just there hanging at the side, even if you just wanted something small, just a little bit of detail. So yeah, pick them right up. And I like that you got 2 sheets actually. I thought you were only going to get 1, so that was a bonus. And we have a little dust brush here. So this was just a re-up. Change my dust brushes every now and then, and this one was your kind of run-of-the-mill dust brush, but very soft and very, very nice. So then we have some charms, again a little bit late for the season, but I'm going to show you guys anyway because, I mean, why not? So I'm just going to empty out a few of these. This was just a little assortment of really cute, again, kind of cartoonish vibes of charms. So we have the little gravestone, we have the eyeball, have a cute little skeleton with heart eyes, spiders, bats, like just gorgeous little charms. So cute. And then I'm just going to zoom in here and show you a few more. So we have kind of a couple of little robots and just little, what else do we have? Like, see that little, is it a little robot holding a little pumpkin, or a little ghost holding a little pumpkin? Just really, really cute. Again, just great value. Couldn't leave them there. If you want links for anything, please just message. You can, or just comment down below. You can just say Halloween charms and I'll know and I'll get the link, because I probably won't get all the links up, but I will definitely get them if anyone requests them. And then on to more charms as well. So I know you have probably seen these because I have seen other people show these, but these are the little acrylic flowers, obviously in charm form. I have a few different versions of acrylic flowers in charm form, but I do think these are the most realistic looking. Like, they really do look like sculpted gel or sculpted acrylic flowers. Like, this one here is gorgeous, this purple one. And it has the little ombre and everything and the little dots in the middle. I just think, yeah, so handy to have. Like, I could have done with these during the summer. Instead of sculpting out those flowers, I could have totally done with these during the summer. But I have them for next year, so happy with that. And again, I think there's about 20 pieces and they're all multicoloured. Next up then, just a re-up of my little swatch sticks. So these almond swatch sticks are what I've changed over to. I've nearly half of my swatching done now. I've changed from the long pointy stiletto sticks and I am moving on to these. I'm very happy I did so. So I'm just getting more to make sure I have enough in. And then we have some chrome powder. So this is just your mirror powder. It doesn't reflect pink or anything. I'm looking for one that is just a chrome, not a pink shift, blue shift, purple shift. Just a nice silvery chrome. And I did do an example of it over brown here. So this is it over brown. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. It gives that little glazed, just a glazed brown look. Now, next up we have, this is from AliExpress. So this stamping plate is absolutely class. I love it. Kind of got it for this ghost face figure here. And like, there's a load of cool figures on it and a load of cool images on it. And I already did try it out and I stamped with it. So I'm going to show you the swatch of the images stamped because they came out really, really well. I love this plate. Yeah, I did stamp it. So I'm just going to show you now the swatch stick. And I did do ghost face and that little skeleton. So they came out so clear. This is how good they are. So that's an example of how good the etching is on the plate. Because I know I'm going out of focus here, but that skeleton has loads of little cracks in them and it came out perfectly. The only thing I will say though, lately with AliExpress, I have about 4 items that just didn't show up. So I think I'll probably give AliExpress a miss because I'm finding more and more that stuff isn't showing up. And then you just have to like apply for a refund and it takes ages to get the refund because it takes nearly months. And it's not that it's that much money, but it's just annoying if you want something and it just doesn't come. So I think I might just stick to Temu and Shein, I think. This was also AliExpress and this is just a liner gel from Venalisa. My daughter is getting more and more into nails and she did say that she would like a white liner gel. I always use my Glitterbels paint pot. So I don't actually have a white liner gel. So I just ordered this one for her so she can kind of play around with it. And it looks really good. I like the white. The pigmentation is really good. And I like the brush. The brush isn't too thick. So yeah, so this is for her. I'm sure I probably will grab it and use it at some stage as well. But again, that was AliExpress also. And I think that could be it in this haul. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I really enjoyed showing you and I was so dying to show you because I needed to get the stuff put away. But again, back to business now, so I'm going to be updated. I have some haul videos coming from Born Pretty and Madam Glam, so subscribe if you enjoyed this one and I will see you in the next one.